All right, here we go. Question number 6 from our 1316 homework number 7 in MyLab Math. It says the polar coordinates of a point are given. Find the rectangular coordinates. So here's basically what they're saying. It says polar coordinates are given. That means we're given an r and a theta. They want us to find an x and a y. That's rectangular. This is polar to rectangular. Notice that my angle 7.1 does not have a degree symbol. Therefore, it is a radian angle. So if I want to find the x and the y coordinates, I'm going to use the formulas. X equal r cosine theta and y equals r sine theta. Remember that this angle, 7.1, is radians because there's no degree symbol. So when I use my calculator, I'm going to need to be in radian mode. Now, to find the x coordinate, that's going to be the radius, which is 9.2, times the cosine of 7.1 in radian mode, and it says round to the nearest hundredth. That's 2 decimal places. And so if I show my work here, which I need to do, a good example here, radius, that's going to be 9.2 cosine of 7.1. And then for y, it's going to be 9.2 sine of 7.1. So with the calculator, we got an x coordinate of 6.30. Notice rounded to the nearest hundredth, that 9 sees a 7 behind him and makes the 29 become a 30. And the y coordinates, if I back up and change that to sine, that should give me the y coordinate, which I also need to round to the nearest hundredth. And that'll be 6.71 rounded. Now that should be my x and y coordinate. Notice in MyLab Math, it says to input that as an ordered pair. And listen, before I do that, I want to show you a way that you can check and make sure that you're at least in the right ballpark. Here's how we're going to check this. What I want to do is I want to take my angle and convert it from radians to degrees. So remember, the way that you convert an angle from radians to degrees is you take your angle and multiply by 180 over pi. And that's going to give me the angle in degrees, 7.1 times 180 over pi, 406.8 degrees, approximately. Now I want to locate that angle in my unit circle. A full circle, remember, is 2 pi, which is 360. And then 406 is going to be 46.8 past that. So that's going to be a little bit more than 45, and that's definitely in quadrant 1. And our radius is positive, which means that we would go in that direction 9.6 units. So that puts our ordered pair in quadrant 1. What I want to know is, does the ordered pair 6.3, 6.7 also plot in quadrant 1? Well, the x and y are both positive, and so that says I'm going to go over 6.3 and then up 6.7. Notice that this ordered pair, it does look like it's a little bit higher than it is over from the origin. And so I feel really good about that ordered pair conversion being correct now that I've done that. Okay, so just so you've heard me say this and make it rhyme, both points have to plot in the same spot. If you plot your r and theta and then you plot your x and y, they have to plot in the same spot, or you've got the wrong dot. All right, here we go. Ordered pair, 6.3 and 6.7. Do I need to put that 0? 6.3, 0. I'm going to put it anyway. I think it needs to be there. Yep, there you go. Man, I hope all that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.